I'm Sharon Welchel, filming here in Tustin, California for my crochet studio for my Etsy shop Starlike. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to crochet bug eyes. So first, take some black yarn, and then you're going to chain 6, and then just slip stitch it to close. And then working into the hole, you're just going to single crochet 12 times, and then just slip stitch it to close that ring. And cut it, and then grab your white yarn and then into the first stitch, pull up a loop, then chain 2. Now I want you to double crochet into the same chain or the same stitch, and then you'll do 2 double crochets in each stitch all the way around. And then when you reach the end, just slip stitch it to close, and then cut your yarn. And then you'll just pull through the yarn to the other side, the ends. And that is how to crochet a bug eye.